Today I'll teach you guys how you guys can find clean version of a music on Spotify. So it's pretty simple. You want to click on search and at the top you want to search for a music. So I'm going to search for Eminem, alright? And it is the artist name. And I'm going to search the song Mockingbird. So it is a song written by Eminem. So when I search for it, it's going to show me two Mockingbird. The first one is also Mockingbird. The second is also Mockingbird. But the first one has a small little E on it. So whichever song has this small little E on it, it means explicit version, which means it has all the rough words in it. But the song right below that doesn't has E, which means it's the same song but all the curse word or the rough words has been removed. So you can click on the song without the E and listen to it, and basically that is how you guys can find clean version. And if you want to turn on a setting which just removes all the rough song on Spotify, you can click on your profile picture at the top left, click on settings and privacy, and from over here click on where it says content preferences and make sure allow explicit content is off. Once this is off, whichever song you search for, it's not going to show you the explicit version. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide for future videos like this. I'll see you guys next time.